see, this is where we can start to see if we are doing that. Like you'll see in conversations with your friends and family that if you are in a conversation where there is somebody talking about something that you just don't see it that way, they're so far the opposite way. Often you'll see your mind reacting, going, are these people blind or like what? Like, whoa, I don't gravitate towards that. I just don't. Those are not my people. You'll just see your mind doing that. And that is a wonderful signal, a very clear indicator, a clue that there's unconscious beliefs that you're identified with operating inside of you. That's why you are the one repelling from this person. And if you see that within yourself, there is leaps in consciousness. There's leaps in awareness that happen within you. I'm There's so many examples I can give. Just one example is, you know, I mean, I'm all about this, right? I explore truth, and what I teach is how I live from what I see. And I remember speaking I was in a small group and I was speaking, and somebody in that group was completely the opposite. It was all about self-improvement and personal development and so on and so forth. Now, in the previous days, I was not seeing it, but I was kind of imposing, you know? I was trying to lead them to see more. There's such a subtle difference between trying to lead somebody to see more because they want to and they asked versus because you think they're wrong. I was doing the second one. No, 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 you've got to see more of this. That is me and my unconscious beliefs. That is me unconscious to my arrogance. And as I seen more and lived more of what I seen, same conversation, different person 2 years later, I was just so welcoming. And I didn't expect myself to be. It was just like, perfect. That's so good. You do your thing. And even they were surprised because they were not seeing what I was saying, but they were almost in conflict with it. When I wasn't in conflict with it, all of a sudden, there was no conflict to be had. That was a really nice lesson for me to see for myself, right? One of the many lessons, I would say, was to clearly see in action when that happened that I have matured, that I see more clearly, that it's that life is where you live it, not what you preach. I was able to see in that moment that I'm so okay with that, that I actually love the person. I don't really give a shit what they believe. I love the person. I'm so with the person. And it's not a doing, it's not a, oh yeah, I really see their beliefs and I don't like it, but I'll accept them. No, not like that. It's to really see that my own beliefs are made of thought. My own opinions are made of thought. My relationship to those thought created structures within myself changed. Therefore, my relationship to people changed. The herd mentality leaves you. It crumbles away, and you accept anyone and everyone. It's quite surprising. It was to me. It was quite surprising of how open you become, how embracing you become. It's not about acceptance or tolerance. That's not even part of the game anymore. It's just embracing.